Hey guys, welcome back to DIY with Max. I'm very excited to tell you that I've been presented with an opportunity to help some family members renovate their condo from start to finish. And I'm going to be documenting the journey of the transformation, and I'm looking forward to bringing you guys along. So without further ado, let me give you a tour of the condo as it was purchased.
As you come into the entrance, the first room on the left is the kitchen, and here we are going to be repainting the cabinets and replacing the doors to a shaker style door to make the kitchen more modern. The tile on the floor and the backsplash will be replaced, and then we'll throw some fresh colors on the wall and crown molding to finish off the look we're going for. Right off the kitchen is a 400 mold dining room. This room will need new paint, removed popcorn ceilings, some recessed lighting, new floors, and baseboard molding and crown molding. Off the dining room is the living room with some really big balcony doors that let in a ton of light throughout the day. And here the plan is the same as the dining room. Popcorn ceiling, paint, flooring, recessed lighting, baseboard molding, and crown molding. And on the left side of the living room, we enter into a hallway that leads to a bedroom that will need all the same love as the living room. Across from the bedroom is a full bath, and here the only thing that is staying is the tub. Everything else is getting upgraded. Vanity, mirror, lighting, and the throne, aka the toilet. As we pop back into the hallway, the next stop is the master bedroom. It needs removal of popcorn ceilings, paint, flooring, a boob light, baseboard molding, and crown molding. Here's the walk-in closet, pretty good size. We will need to get some kind of closet system in here eventually. Right next to the closet is the master bathroom, and this place is getting gutted as well. All new vanity, tile, glass shower, new toilet, and new fixtures. The only thing that is staying is the soaker tub in the corner. Thank you guys so much for watching the before reno walkthrough. I'm looking forward to making videos to go into detail of how we remodeled this property. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified when a new progress video is posted. See you in the next one.